Before you buy a boost gauge for your supercharger, there's one thing no product page tells you, but every real buyer learns the hard way. Most gauges look identical online, but the difference between accurate readings and a useless light show comes down to how they actually sense pressure. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Glow Shift Tinted 7-Color. This Glow Shift Tinted 7-Color gauge caught my eye because it's from a brand that's been around since 2004, and it includes everything you need out of the box, even a dimmer wire that cuts brightness by 30% when your headlights are on. At $61.83, it's mid-range, but the mechanical design means no electrical sensor needed, just a hose running to the intake. That's actually a big deal if you want zero interference with your ECU or wiring harness. The 7-color display lets you match your dash, and the smoked lens looks clean during the day while glowing bright at night. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Mechanical gauges like this are less prone to signal lag or electrical noise, so you get real-time boost response without false spikes. Plus, with over 200 sold last month and a 1-year warranty plus lifetime tech support, it's clear people trust Glow Shift for reliability. Now, some people complained about the hose routing being tight in cramped engine bays, and yeah, that 6-foot silicone hose isn't the most flexible. Here's the thing though, if you plan ahead during install, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, accurate mechanical gauge with style and full installation support. Skip this one if you're running extreme boost levels above 30 psi or hate dealing with vacuum line routing. For the price, it's solid value. Product number 2, Yoneda 30 psi Tinted. Now, if Glow Shift's hose routing frustrated you, this Yoneda gauge at $39.11 might feel like a breath of fresh air. Literally. It also uses a mechanical system with a 30 psi range and vacuum monitoring, but the included silicone hose and swivel pod make installation noticeably easier in tight spaces. The 7-color display is similar, but what stands out is the gauge visor and pre-cut power harness, small touches that save time. This matters because when you're under the hood, every inch and every minute counts. The accuracy is solid for street driving, and with 50+ sold recently, it's gaining traction as a budget-friendly alternative. However, a few buyers mentioned the dial markings can be hard to read in direct sunlight, even with the tint. Here's the thing. If you mostly drive at night or in shaded areas, it's barely noticeable. But if you're often on open highways at noon, that glare could annoy you. This is perfect for you if you're on a tighter budget but still want multicolor lighting and decent build quality. Skip this one if you prioritize daylight visibility or plan to push beyond 30 psi. For under $40, it's a steal. Just know its limits. Product number 3, ZHS YMX Electronic LED Boost Gauge. All right, that was a solid mechanical option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you hate running vacuum lines through your firewall. This ZHS YMX gauge at $44.16 is electronic, meaning it uses a sensor instead of a hose. That's a game changer for clean installs. The red LED display is super bright at night, and it reads up to 35 psi, which gives you extra headroom if you tune later. The sensor screws right into your intake manifold with a 1/8 NPT thread, so no drilling or routing hoses. Here's why this matters. Electronic sensors respond faster to sudden boost changes, which is critical if you're monitoring spike-prone supercharger systems. Plus, the compact ABS housing fits snugly in tight dashes. Now, some people complained about the wiring instructions being vague, and honestly, yeah, the manual could be clearer. Here's the thing though. If you've installed any car electronics before, it's totally doable. This is perfect for you if you want a cleaner install and don't mind a bit of wiring. Skip this one if you're not comfortable splicing into your 12-volt system or prefer purely mechanical systems. For the features, it's well priced. Product number 4, Auto Plaza 2-inch LED. Now, if you're looking for the bare essentials without breaking the bank, this Auto Plaza gauge at $23.97 is hard to ignore. It's simple. Digital display, blue and red LEDs, 30 psi max, and a smoked lens that clears up at night. The 68-inch hose gives you flexibility, and the U-bracket makes mounting straightforward. This matters because sometimes you just need reliable data without the frills, especially if you're on a budget or doing a temporary setup. The accuracy is decent for the price, and it handles both boost and vacuum. However, a few buyers noted the plastic housing feels a bit flimsy compared to metal alternatives. Here's the thing. For daily driving and mild supercharging, it holds up fine. But if you're tracking your car or running high heat, it might not last as long. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, ultra-affordable gauge for basic monitoring. Skip this one if you need durability, higher PSI range, or programmable alarms. For under $25, it's a great entry point. Just don't expect premium build quality.
Product number 5. JJCO 35 PSI LED with alarm. Finally, if you're serious about protecting your supercharged engine, this JJCO gauge at $47.95 might be the smartest investment here. It goes up to 35 PSI, has a crystal clear red LED display, and here's the kicker. It includes programmable alarms. You can set warning thresholds using the warn and peak buttons, so if boost spikes unexpectedly, you'll know instantly. That's huge for preventing damage from overboost or lean conditions. The electronic sensor is 1/8 NPT threaded, and the whole kit comes pre-wired with a mounting bracket. This matters because real-time alerts can save your engine thousands in repairs. Plus, it monitors both boost and vacuum, so you get full engine insight. Now, some people said the alarm setup isn't intuitive at first, and yeah, it takes a few tries to get the timing right. Here's the thing. Once it's set, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you're tuned, running higher boost, or just want peace of mind. Skip this one if you only need basic readings and don't care about alerts. For the features, it's excellent value.
So, which one's right for you? Glow Shift if you want proven reliability and full install support. Yoneda if you're budget conscious but still want style. ZHS YMX if you hate hose routing. Auto Plaza if you just need basic readings cheap. And JJ Coco if you want alarms and max protection. Remember, accuracy and installation ease matter more than colors or price. Pick the one that fits your setup, not just your dashboard.